Very neat and clean and fully air-conditioned warehouse with all the fire safety system and fully insulated. All floors with tiles, multiple office cabins, with pantry and washroom. (23.11 kilowatt power available with electronic shutter entrance. Also have a mezzanine. Let me walk through. This is the mezzanine floor fit out. Also fully tiled and have sockets on the floor. As you can see, the air conditioned ducts in black color with LED lights. (24-hour) security is available along with CCTV and a very neat and clean compound. For further information, please contact Redrock Real Estate. Also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn by Redrock UAE. For more properties and videos, visit our website. Thank you.